gonna stop us in the McLaren, right? We thought, oh, he's not gonna get pulled over. It's a nice lime green McLaren with pink stripes. And we got pulled over. Imagine a cop just is like right there and pulls me over. Look at this dirty tow truck. Look, he's in the middle of the road. He got a call. Oh, there's 2 of them fighting for it. Oh, another one got pulled over. That could have been me. By the way, if a tow truck shows up when you get into an accident, don't give them your car. Because they take your car to a shop. It's not authorized to fix your vehicle, and they make commission off of you. So, don't give them your car. Call us.
We're trying to move a car here and there's no space. What the hell is this? Oh my god. Sorry to bother you guys. I know you guys are on lunch. I'm very, very sorry. I will make up for this, I promise. I thought you knew the car had to be ready. I didn't. No. They just told me to come get the car. That's it. Yeah.
My God, camera. I believe it's that one.
This one? This is it, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this is it. Okay, so now let me just get out. How do you want me to get out? Another day at RDBLA. This is the second location. This is packed as the first one's packed too, so they're both packed. This one just a little bit smaller, so we can't really maneuver fast out of here. We need time to get out. And plus the guys are on lunch, and they're very upset at me for bothering them, but we have to get it out. Customers waiting.
You guys know already, we have Chris Brown's Aventador SV here. We ordered a full body kit for it. You guys didn't know what it was, but it's here. We waited for this. It's custom. It's a limited edition. It's from Liberty Walk. So you guys already know it's gonna be wild. There's a plaque. There you have it, 4 out of 50. 50th anniversary limited edition Liberty Walk kit. Instructions. That's to modify the wing, which we don't need to do because this car has a fixed wing because it's an SV, so that kind of helps us a little bit. Alright, we're gonna put this back. We technically, because we know what we're doing, we don't need any of this. This is cool too, check it out. They even made custom stickers for it. Number 4 out of 50. I don't think we're gonna put any of this on there, but it's good to have it. We'll see.
So if you hit the lottery, the G63 is the first car you would get?
Yeah, this G63 is nice. They did really good with
What do you like about it? I mean,
everything.
Except the fact that it's G63.
Everything. It's nice. It drives like an S-Class, brand new S. Like they upgraded a lot in regards to driving smooth. Very nice. You can't even tell it's a G Wagon at all.
So this is the car you would buy if you hit the lottery?
I love this car. Yeah.
Out of all the cars in the world, this is the car you buy if you hit the lottery.
This is the only car I'm gonna be able to get with winning a lottery.
I think it's Moses Line 1.
I can finally get out of my Camry. I'll probably still keep the Camry after the lottery.
Yeah, why would you drive this here? You should say keep the miles low and drive your Camry.
It's nice. You can't go wrong. Red interior.
After you're done with your Camry, I'll buy it.
Sure. Well, let's start it up. Let's hear the engine rumble. Thanks for rolling. I can help you. Yes, sir. I like it. Beautiful.
Yeah? So you'll buy it?
Yeah.
All right, sold. Let's fill out the paperwork.
All right. I'm never gonna get one of these.
Alright guys, so we got the convertible G Wagon. This is 1 of 2, actually 2 of 2. It's back. This wasn't the one we painted white. This was the dark blue. We painted this whole car to this factory other Mercedes white color. Well, now we're gonna wrap it. It's gonna be full satin black now. So we're going complete opposite. Customer wants to change it up and then go back to white later. So we have to take it apart again. Everything is off the car. As you can see, the flares, the moldings, front end, all of that is off. We still have to take off that front roof cover that has the LEDs on there. But yeah, we're gonna have to meticulously wrap this to satin black. Obviously going white to black is one of the hardest things to do. And a G-Wagon is also one of the hardest cars to wrap. So we have our work cut out for us on this one. But yeah, we're glad that we're working on the convertible again. And yeah, stay tuned to watch this thing turn black. All right, guys, we are cruising in the G-Wagon 4x4 squared convertible. Really nice weather in LA today, so it's a perfect car to drive. Whether you're the driver, where you have this open top experience, or your passengers that go in the back, that's a whole different experience. So you have best of both worlds. All the windows still work on this car, which is great. Side airbags, roof airbags, everything is intact. No error messages on the dash. We just do it right. Look at all this Alcantara on the headliner. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's all Alcantara right there. So this car, originally dark blue, we gutted it and we completely painted it a stock Mercedes-Benz white color. After that, the customer wanted to wrap it satin black. So now this car is satin black. He wanted to do that because he's in New York. When he takes his wrap off someday, he could go to white. But for now, he's gonna enjoy it in this satin black color. But why not, honestly? If you could do it, more power to you. And our customer is very talented, so he did it. This car is unreal. Since it is the 4x4, you sit really high, and then you got, you know, the open top, so everybody looks at you. It's a super special vehicle. This one also has 24-inch 4G Auto wheels with those big chunky tires on there. So those wheels are specially created with a crazy aggressive offset, so they stick out of the car. Really, really crazy. Who's that driving? That's my buddy's car. Somebody else is driving. I wonder if he knows. But yeah, so yeah, this thing is unreal, honestly. This is as fun as it gets if you wanted a convertible SUV that could terrorize anything on the road. So this is it. It's wires only. It's f***ing RD. What are you doing?
Yo, the RDB way. What it do?
Look at you.
Headed to a meeting.
Are you Conor McGregor or what?
Still in the meeting. I was actually going to your office.
Oh,
Where are you headed?
we were just filming.
The whip looks dope.
It's fun, right?
Are you going to the office or no?
I'm going back around there. That's our buddy RD, wires only. He luxury car sales. We used to do a lot of builds together. We used to do Mansory cars. We did all these SEMA cars together, wide body builds, stuff people have never seen before in such short time. We teamed up with RD. We did all that stuff. So yeah, man, we've done some crazy stuff with our boy here. And he happens to be in a matte black Phantom 8.
RDB, always got the extra umbrella. These motherfuckers They're 900 a piece. So they just laying around. That's how much money we getting over here. Extra umbrellas for everybody. You bring your Rolls Royce without an umbrella, you get your service at RDB, you get a new umbrella.